What if I told you that just $100, less than a night out, could turn into $10,000 in just 1 year? Sounds crazy? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done, step by step. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam. This is real, tested, and proven. The power of small investments. Big money starts small. Most people think you need thousands to start investing or growing a business. Wrong. Some of the biggest fortunes in history began with small, deliberate steps. Here's the truth, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting. Take that $100. Instead of letting it sit idle, invest it strategically, whether in stocks, index funds, or even launching a small side hustle. Over time, that modest investment can grow through the power of compound interest or reinvested profits. Small investments aren't just financial, they build habits, confidence, and a mindset for growth. So, don't wait for someday. Start today, even if it's small, because small seeds grow into mighty trees. The 3 best ways to multiply $100. 1. Flipping and reselling, fastest way. Turn bargains into bank. Hunt for undervalued items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or thrift stores, and flip them for a profit. The goal? Double or triple your money. Example, buy used sneakers for $20, clean them up, and sell for $50. Repeat this 10 times a week, and boom, you're earning $1,000 plus per month. 2. Digital products, make money while you sleep. Create once, earn forever. Build an ebook, online course, or simple templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Fiverr. The best part? 0 inventory or shipping. Example, Canva templates, workout guides, or a side hustle blueprint, like this one. One-time effort equals passive income. 3. High risk, high reward investing, for the bold. Feeling adventurous? Consider crypto trading, options trading, or even NFTs. But remember, only risk what you're prepared to lose. Example, many have turned $100 into $1,000 plus with a single smart trade. But the secret? Learn first, invest later. Knowledge is power. Real-life success stories, real people are proving this works every day. Let me tell you about James, a college student who started with just $100. He spotted deals on sneakers, cleaned them up, and flipped them for a profit. Before he knew it, he had turned that small amount into $8,500. And Lisa, she's a single mom who used her creativity to design digital planners and sell them on Etsy. With an initial investment of just $100 for tools and resources, she's now made over $12,000. What's stopping you? These stories prove that success doesn't demand a fortune, it starts with bold, small steps. Comment below, which of these methods inspires you the most? I'll be replying to every single comment, so let's hear it. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, expecting overnight success. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time, so stay consistent, even when the progress feels slow. Remember, small steps lead to big leaps. Mistake number 2, not reinvesting profits. If you spend everything you earn, you'll stay stuck in the same place. Reinvesting your profits is how you scale and build something sustainable. Let your money work for you. Mistake number 3, quitting too soon. The first few months are always the hardest. Success often feels boring before it's exciting. Most people fail because they give up just before the breakthrough happens. Winners? They keep going. Here's the truth, persistence beats perfection. Stay in the game long enough, and success becomes inevitable. You can win, but only if you refuse to quit. Now, you have 2 choices, ignore this video and stay where you are. Or start today and change your life. Your future self is waiting. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more money-making strategies every week. Here's a challenge. Take $100, apply these steps, and comment your results in 30 days. Let's win together.